Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons of the 2-year MBA. First, you have more time to explore career options, which is why if you're a recent graduate and you're not very sure of what kind of a career progression you're looking at, the 2-year MBA will allow you to make a choice. Then you have a lot of exposure to positions of responsibility. I know that a lot of us believe that handling the college fest is a big deal. But then trust me, the kind of responsibility that you have to handle in the professional world is far greater. And you can't simply step into that without having any experience whatsoever. The 2-year MBA is going to allow you to experience that, not necessarily through work experience all the time, but also by being a part of student activities, participating in different committees, and handling responsibilities within these committees. Then you have a lot more opportunities for enhancing your CV through internships, live projects, competitions, and so on. So if your CV is too plain and simple, then the 2-year MBA is for you. And then, this is the best part for most of us, there is very strong placement support, particularly if you make it to a top tier college. There is a structured placement program, and since they don't really expect you to have too many contacts in the industry, they are going to help you get placed. In some cases, maybe even try to push your CV if they feel that there is need for it. Now let's take a look at the cons. The first most important con is that there is a lot of competition. Because the 2-year MBA is far more popular, there are a lot more people vying for the same seats. So every year, we know that somewhere around 1.5 to 2.5 lakh people take CAT. And this is just one exam. If you consider all the others, then maybe there will be a lot more added to that number. But the point is that because of the competition, it is slightly more difficult to get into a top tier college. Secondly, because you're investing 2 years of your life into it, the opportunity cost is a little higher. So you have to make sure that you're getting into the right college so that those 2 years are worth it.